A solution of class 10 higher mathematics under the syllabus of Board of Secondary Education Manipur. Chapter Geometric Progression, solved and represented by Salam Meghasundar Singh, lecturer, Sultan Higher Secondary School, Imphal. Geometric progression. What is geometric progression? A sequence an is called a geometric progression if there exists a non-zero number r such that a of n plus 1 divided by an equal to r for all n belongs to n. Karigumba tam hangnaba tam ani yenabagi value si matam punamakta fixed number ama oirabadi sequence adu is geometric progression nama kawi. The number r is called the common ratio of the GP. A number r is geometric progression of the common ratio code. If a is the first term and r is the common ratio of the GP, then the GP is written as a r squared dot. For example, 2, 4, I, 16, 32. Haibasida, second term 4 the 2 ni yellow, 2 fangi, I the 4 ni yellow, 2 fangi, 16 the I ni yellow, 2 fangi. 32 to 16 yellow 2 fange. Couldn't work loin 2 fange. Performance 2 was a common ratio. 3, 9, 27, 81 to 43. High was geometric progression of C and C. 3 9 yellow 3 fange, 9 27 yellow 3 fange, 27 81 yellow 3 fange, 81 to 43 yellow 3 fange. Asumna pyramid geometric progression of C common ratio C3. The n term of a GP. Let A be the first term and R be the common ratio of the GP. Karigumba GP amagi first term duna A common ratio duna R oirabadi. Then the GP is AR squared dot. We have A1 is equal to here A, which can be written as A into R to the power 1 minus 1. Second term A2 is equal to AR, which can be written as A into R to the power 2 minus 1. Third term is denoted by A3, whose value is AR square. So this R can be written as R to the power 3 minus 1. So on A4 is AR cube, whose value is A into R power 4 minus 1, so on. Following the pattern, we have AN equal to AR to the power n minus 1. This is the general term or the n term of the GP, whose first term is A and common ratio is R. Geometric mean. If three numbers are in GP, the middle number is called a geometric mean between the two numbers. Number of GP the mayai adu number and geometric mean number kawi. Thus, if A, G and B are in GP, then G is called geometric mean between A and B, and hence G equal to square root of AB. A, G, B hariba number of GP G asibu A amasu B gi marakta level geometric mean number kawi. Masi G da A na yelaga B da G ni yamaga man halaga G solve toraga G gi value square root of AB oigane. For example, 3, 9, 27 are in GP. So 9 is a GM between 3 and 27. 9 is C3 27 level GM amani. Insert n geometric means between two numbers A and then B. N geometric means between A and B. Then A these are in GP. Using an equal to A times of R to the power n minus 1, we get A n the B pisalani A the A adum pirani n the n plus 2 maram the C A the gina B about n plus 2 times ni. Sidagi I coin R value do B by A whole to the power 1 by of n plus 1 or R value kange first term kange after mentioning the n geometric means R x1 the first term the common ratio purani x to the first term the common ratio the power 2 karani. So the third term be A into common ratio the power 3 karane. N term be A into common ratio the power n karane. Sum of first n terms of a GP. GP amagi n term putopa. First n term is sum putopa. Let A be the first term and R be the common ratio of the GP. Then the n term of the GP is A times of R to the power n minus 1. Let S be the sum of the first n terms of the GP ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ n terms sum to S ꯀꯃꯥꯟꯅꯍꯜꯂꯁꯤ. Then S equal to first term plus second term plus third term plus dot dot plus n term. And R both sides of Puri let the SR Fange Sida Ana Puri Tam Tam Amachansilaga AR power manavas like Tam Sing Makara Tamna border receive Pangani. Then Tamani said Hydona the S the SR Hydodi we get this right the DC Matamakala you Tam Sing Sanagani Makaki first minus Makagi last Pangani. But Sina Muk S Kamaloko we get this right and A Kamaloko the S to solve already Pangani. The sum is S equal to this when A is greater than R, or S equal to this when R is greater than 1. Exercise 2.3 Geometric Progression. Find the specified term of the following GP Makagi GPSC Palliga Tamasi Putu 14 term of this GP. Here A is 1 by I and R is second term divided by first term we get 2 and A14 is 1. Using this formula we get A14 and the 14 to see A the 1 by I R the 2 and in the 14 to the simplified or we get 2 power 10 which is the 14th term of the GP. Similarly for Roman number 2, 7th term of this. Here A is IT1, common ratio is minus 27 by IT1, we get minus 1 by 3. A7 is what? Using this formula, we get A7 is IT1 into minus 1 by 3 to the power 7 minus 1. Simplify, we get 1 by 9. In the 7 sugatamo. Roman number 10 term of this. Here A is 1 by root 2, R is second term divided by first term, we get 2 and A10 is what? Using general formula, we have A10 equal to A the 1 by root 2, R the 2, and N the 10 visually simplified or we get this number, which is the 10th term of the GP. For Roman number 4, I term. A is P square, common ratio is second term divided by first term, we get Q by P. And AI is what? Using general term, we have AI equal to P square for A value the P square P and Q value the R value the Q by P whole to the P and power N and I P shell and simplified or P power 7 by P power 5. Machine I to the term. Question number 2. Find the value of the case or that the following may be in GP. Makada Laiba 6 GP Ohinge Harabadi K value put to GP the later body, second term the first term yellow, third term the second term yellow, cross multiply and solve K equal to 6, which is the required value. For Roman number 2, second term divided by first term equal to third term by second term, cross multiply and expand, we get this quadratic equation factorized. We have this K value 2 by 3 or 1. K value is 2 by 3 or the second term is 0 oil. Thus K value 2 by 3 is invalid as which makes second term is 0. Second term geometric progression amagi term amati 0 avayati. Maramdi yenabasing adu meaningful oinabagi damakta. Therefore K value is 1 or number 3. These are in GP, therefore second term divided by first term equal to third term divided by second term. Cross multiply and expand and solve, we get the quadratic equation in K. Factorize, we get this K equal to 1 or 7. K value is 1 period, first term 0 oil, second term 0 oil. And the K value, but K equal to 1 is invalid as which makes first and second terms are zeros. First and second terms are K value 1 and 0 on the meaningful only the K value is 7 or running. Question number 3. The fourth and seventh terms of a GP are descendants respectively. Find the 10 term. Geometric progression number 4 and 7 so the term value from pyramid 10 term to have any 10 term to Hyderabadi A and so R Putona Bapi the condition is Ponagani. A4 is 54, A7 is this number, A10 is what? A4 is value, there is running term from Apalagadi, A4 is becomes AR power 3 lerani asumna a7 gi chu silare tam ani si divide tawna rani r power saw r power pipna yellow ci r power pipna sida r power sawna yellow ci aikoi de target a manghalaga r solve tawni adu orabadi r value 3 ore far gi value si ani si matata amadu single si number 1 da r value 3 pisel si a gi value khana bagida ma a gi value 2 thangai has tabang some common ratio khangabadi gp adugi any question hangada kumanga mani maramdi these two are parameters of the geometric progression 10 times therefore a 10 have to the first term 2 into common ratio 3 into to the power 10 minus 1 simplify we get 39166 which is the required value of the 10 term. Question number 4 1 which term of the gp this is 1 by 243 GPSC की करम बकाया सुबह तामनो 1 by 243 होएगा देगे GPSC की कोई फिरम फर्स्ट टर्म 9 नहीं कमर रेशियो दी सेकंड टर्म डिवाइडेड बाय फर्स्ट टर्म 1 by 3 n is 1 by 243 n is 1 using general formula for GP we have giving respective values and solve n equal to n power base माना दी power अनि से माना रनी n की वैल्यू 8 है तो रोमान नंबर 2 सु a की वैल्यू 32 r की वैल्यू -7 a n की वैल्यू 32 Warani n partner. Then in formula station raga respective value PRC aduga n to solve to n value da n equal to 11 or n value 11 so batam value do 1 by 32 or even PRC. Question number 5. If the sum of the three numbers in GP is this and their product is this, find the numbers. GP the label number ahungi sum na sini product na sini number sindu putu uhaibani. GP the label number logo ki take connect assume logo ni. Let the numbers in GP be a by r a r assume the number of logo ki take connect ni makoi the sum se ke apira me 104 ta lepi tang khuding makto ki ek kama logo si we had this equation 1. Then their product asisu 1 3 I 2 4 piram le masidegi kon simplify taradi a ki value of the 24 phange phange by a ki value equation 1 is jalaga equation 1 se r ka tang yaw ana masi kon cross multiply and transfer we get a quantity equation in r masi factorize taradi try r minus 1 into r minus 3 phange r value 3 or 1 by 3 phange a amaso a value di amakaka ni r di ani phangani. When A is 24, R is 3, the three numbers are 6 numbers, term of hanging with the kiloxin to the respective value pyramid. Simplify to the I 24 and 72 level. So the A value 24, R value auto palm to be 1 by 3 or the matamda attack the expressions, the value EMS or R value, so we get this simplify to the 70 24 I or thus the three numbers are either I 24 72 or 72 24 I. Question number 6. Divide 42 into 3 parts which are in GP. GP the label number around 42 with the number around 4 o Makoi single GP the hello. Such that their product is 5 1 to Makoi to never also 5 1 to the hello. GP the label number around to the A by R A R taken this order law Makoi is some of the 42 mana like quality question 1 or 6. Then Makoi product of 5 1 to the hello. I when it's the equal A value I tongue. Regular isometric jealousy. Sumna we get an equation involving R only R. Person you overlay the quantity equation in R. Fange to factorize total we have this R value ani fange. A value the I ni R value ani value set same C. When A equal to I R equal to 4 the three numbers are artificially aims R value visually 3 fange simplify to the 2 I 32 layer. And when A equal to I R below 1 by 4 the numbers are this the division level matung the phange numbers simplify to 32 I to descending order the line. Thus the three numbers are either 2 I 32 or 32 I 2 y. Number 7. Divide 31 into 3 parts which are in GP such that the sum of their square is 651. Okay, answer the next money. Let the numbers in GP be A by R A R. Then their sum is 31. A comma log so we get this equation 1. Adu Makoi square single sum adu Makoi square single sum adu 651. This sumu A square comma log prane so no matata family equation equation simplify to she factorize to the silani A plus A square minus B square form factorize to bani. A square minus B square form factorize to the then she A times of this a times of this card magi value 31 a am memory second factor memory. There we have this equation ama phange to 1 ama su 2 si term of the manari ani si divide tawnarabadi a mangirani. मतलब question 7 की लेमो वो second part में वो question 1 to 2 yellow we get this a mark है cross multiply aduga ani si hoje leba film the component do dividend of palo si phang component do dividend do hai badi ratio the proportional leba phe ani proportional leba ani proportional leba number ani hai badi a by b equal to C by D. Sumumbar ratio ani manababu proportional level kowe mataki number sida makha number pinsulora mataki number sima khadan ira makha khaino sumna letana C orani right na C lani C minus C level asumna ibusibu khana kari kowe component of dividend of kowe oji cross multiply to C cross multiply to we get this amuk quadratic equation in r phanga factorize tawrani masi factorize tawri r value ani phanga 5 or 1 by 5 r value 5 oiba matamda equation 1 sinjilaga a gi value 5 phanga r value to 1 by 5 ore du equation 1 sinjilba matamda a gi value to 5 ore ani not a gi fix ore. Thus the three numbers are mataki a by r r do da a amasu r gi value sipya sing sipisilaga si amuk phanga I. Three numbers whose sum is 18 are in AP. Kariguma number ahung nino for 18 in Makoi Singadu AP delay. When 2, 4, 11 are added to them respectively, Makoi Singadu the Matang Sina 2, 4, 11 have the resulting numbers are in AP. Hangapa number Singadu AP delay find a number. Aduguma number of the AP the logo the Venezuela. Let A minus D, A plus D be the three numbers in AP. Then number 60 the 2, 4, 11 half the lemma sig number 60 repeat the by question number ahum simata ke number low the 11 number ahum sig sum 18 piram me sidagi a gi value putok panga me se amuksu number akom bagi number ahum sig repeat mina second number divided by first number equal to third number divided by second number today a gi value or this respectively 26 pixel say adu to for the quality question number phange factorize for the value khangna bu number the value only phange tm minus 12 from terminal over here when a equal to 6 and d equal to 3 the three numbers are मतलब कि a minus d a plus d तो लगा से पहुँचे last 3 6 9 था हम उसको a की वैल्यू 6 d की वैल्यू ना minus 12 और हम तो मतलब 3 numbers चार सीधे कोने respective वैल्यू से लगा से पहुँचे okay this simplify to our I 6 minus 3 phang मतलब कि दोगा सीधा correct है नहीं सीधी d to our I 10 लेरे सीधी 6 लेरे सीधी 6 फाइव का जो minus 6 it must be minus 6 ना minus 6 और बताओ minus 6 Question number 9. The product of three numbers in GP is this. GP the level number only two number 4 to 7 to 9 and the sum of their products in pairs is 819. Number 0 to number sum of 819 find the number. GP the level number logo technique to seasonally let A by R be the three numbers in GP. Then their product is given as 7 to 9 from which we get A equal to 9. And pair wise keep puri na bagi per sum adu 819 a ki value a square term ko mo to ki kamal lo to lo ne a ki value 9 to ki lo simplify to ko we get a quantity ko number phanga quantity ko factorize to see to get the r value the 1 by 9 amasung 9 phanga a amasung r value amaga pair semani the three numbers are to sinjilani we get 9191 from the A value 9, R value 9, or the three numbers are cheated in the level Matung the Pangakada 19 IT1. Number Singadu IT1 9 1 Hagera 1 9 IT1 Hagera number 2. Question number 10. If A, B, C are in GP, so that these three expressions are in GP. Number of the GP number GP level second number divided by first number equal to third number by second number R ka then B by A equal to R gives B equal to AR, C by B equal to R gives C equal to BR. Then we have to show that second divided by first is मतलब कि तांबे की b कमल लोग थोड़ा मखा की b square की value दी ar direct निकले मतलब से कि b कमल लोग कोई ने b times of ar मखा देगी a लोग तो दी a times of a my a plus c का फिर b by a मानो b by a भी मतलब से r का माना है सुनना third number the second number ये में value को तो c b square value direct a c और निकले मखा देगी b लोग तो a मतलब से कि a कमल लोग c कमल लोग तो a plus c अभी अनिश्चित फैक्टर ए प्लस मथक मखा का तो सी बाई बी करें सी बाई बी की मथक आग माना हो राइट अनिश्चित मानो दी लेफ्ट अनिश्चित माना है अनिश्चित माना है दी these three numbers are input. For Roman number 2 these are in GP the later of these symmetry money from which we get B equal to AR C equal to BR pyramid but number of AP the later second number degi first number kaido for simplify to si phange demo simulengana thamasi learn ani subada third number degi second number kaido simplify to we get this mathaki ani si manhan ge haradi right left ani si right ani si manhan ge mathaki lengana thamasi makha gi na mathak tana bi sin si madu ge jamokta di b gi value de ar pichlo c gi value de br pichlo r kamalo to asun r kamalo to badi right ani si kakana r ka di si phange masi ge ani se right and isi manare left and manare badi these expressions are in A hariba pyramid si A nate A